I move that the Secretary General be directed immediately to endorse the same to the Senate.
There is a motion to direct the Secretary General to immediately endorse to the Senate the impeachment complaint, having been filed by more than one-third of the membership of the House, or a total of 215 members. Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed. The session is suspended.
Rule 4 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Proceedings, which provides as follows. Section 14, endorsement of the complaint resolution to the Senate. A verified complaint resolution of impeachment filed by at least one-third of all the members of the House shall constitute the articles of impeachment. And in this case, the verified complaint resolution shall be endorsed to the Senate in the same manner as an approved bill of the House. Considering that the Secretary General has certified that at least 215 members of the House of Representatives have verified and swore before him the said impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, and consistent with our rules, I move that the Secretary General be directed immediately to endorse the same to the Senate.
There is a motion to direct the Secretary General to immediately endorse to the Senate the impeachment complaint, having been filed by more than one-third of the membership of the House, or a total of 215 members. Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed. The session is suspended.
So yan na mga kababayan, no? Talagang minamadali na po nilang i-transmit itong impeachment nila laban kay VP Sara sa Senate. At yan, nagpalakpakan na nga po yung mga congressman na yon. At si Castro, halatang sobrang saya ni Franz Castro mga kababayan, at yung mga pro-impeachment kay VP Sara ay nagtayuan pa talaga at nagkamayan. So malalaman natin yan mga kababayan pagdating sa Senado. Tingnan natin mga kababayan kung sino-sino yung mga congressman na ipapadala nila doon sa Senate na magiging prosecutors, no, laban dito sa kanilang impeachment, or dito sa impeachment na laban kay VP Sara Duterte. Ayan, so tingnan natin yung mga congressman kung sino-sino. Malamang dito si Jerbil Lohistro mga kababayan, kasi abogada po yun, malamang kasama yan doon sa magiging prosecutor. Si Akop, yan abogado yun si Akop Si Chua, yan abogado rin yun si Chua. Sino pa ba yung mga abogado dyan?
Rule 6 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Proceedings, I move to elect the following members of the House of Representatives as prosecutors in the trial on the impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara C. Duterte. Representative Jerbil Jinky Beatrix Luistro. Representative Romeo M. Acop. Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. Representative Joel R. Chua. Representative Raul Angelo Gil Bongalon. Representative Loreto B. Acharon. Representative Marcelino C. Libanan. Representative Arnan C. Panaligan. Representative Isabel Maria Zamora. Representative Lawrence R. Defensor, and Representative Jonathan Keith T. Flores. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
There is a motion to elect the aforementioned members as prosecutors in the trial of the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The majority leader is recognized.
Mr. Speaker, in the additional reference of business earlier read by the Secretary General, there are 3 other impeachment complaints filed against Vice President Sara C. Duterte. These are the impeachment complaint filed by Teresita Quintos Deles, Father Flaviano Villanueva, Gary Alejano et al. And endorsed by Representative Percival Sedanya of Akbayan Party List on December 2, 2024. Next is an impeachment complaint filed by Teodoro Casino, Lisa Masa, Nery Colmenares et al. And endorsed by Representative Franz L. Castro of ACT Teachers Party List, Representative Arlene Brosas of Gabriela Party List, and Representative Raul Daniel Manuel of Kabataan Party List on December 4, 2024. And the last one, Mr. Speaker, the third one, impeachment complaint filed by Reverend Father Antonio Labiao Jr., Reverend Father Rico Ponce, Reverend Father Dionisio Ramos et al., and endorsed by Representative Gabriel Bordado Jr. of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, and Representative Lex Anthony Chris Colada of Ambis OWA Party List on December 19, 2024. Pursuant to our rules of procedure in the impeachment proceedings, considering that the plenary has already transmitted to the Senate the impeachment complaint filed by 215 members on February 5, 2025, that is today, I move that the 3 other impeachment complaints filed on December 2, 2024, December 4, 2024, and December 19, 2024 be transmitted to the archives. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
There is a motion to transmit to the archives the aforementioned 3 impeachment complaints filed last December 2, 4, and 19, 2024. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. These impeachment complaints are transmitted to the archives.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session for a few minutes.
Session suspended.
At yun na nga mga kababayan, no, ay itatransmit na po nila doon sa Senate, no, itong impeachment complaint versus kay VP Sara Duterte. So tingnan natin mga kababayan kung anong mangyari po doon sa Senado, no. Ayun nga po yung mga kanilang line of prosecutors, no, doon sa or prosecutors doon sa Senado na ipinapadala nila yung mga abogado nilang congressman. At malamang si VP Sara ay meron din naman po yung magiging defense naman po, no, mga defense lawyers niya. So dati si former President Duterte ay po yun na pwedeng maging defense lawyer, pati si Congressman Marcoleta ay nag-volunteer na rin na pwedeng magiging defense lawyer po ni VP Sara Duterte. Ano pang opinion niyo mga kababayan? Comment down below po dito sa ating comment section. Maraming salamat po. God bless po sa ating lahat.